Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install ZorinOS 17.3 on VirtualBox. First go to Zorin official website, that is zorin.com. Hit enter. See the message ZorinOS 17.3 released. Okay, click on ZorinOS. See here we have the options to download, like download ZorinOS or click on download, either is fine. And also see here we have three options: First Schools, Pro and Download. Click on Download, and if you click on Download, see here we have the Pro edition. This is the commercial version, core version. This is the free. This is for basic use. And education edition. See, this has the educational software for schools and students. Okay, so select either of them, but the installation process for either is same. Okay. And this core and educational both are free. See, if you want to compare the ZorinOS editions, see here this Pro has more features. Okay, and in this video I am going to download and install ZorinOS core. So click on download, then skip to download. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is 3.4 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded ZorinOS 17.3. See here I have the ZorinOS 17.3 ISO file. Okay, now open VirtualBox. Click on New or Machine and select New. Either is fine. Now see, this is the Create Virtual Machine cursor window. Okay, now we have to provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving name as Zorin. Name can be anything. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders, and this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on this drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Okay, now select the ISO image. Click on drop down, select other to select the downloaded ISO image. Click on downloaded ISO image, click on open. See, once we selected, type change it to Linux, subtype to Ubuntu, and version 64-bit. Now hardware, by default memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I am giving it 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores 2. These are based on the availability. Then 50 gigabytes of the hard disk. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, and click on finish. Now still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, select it and click on settings, or right click and select settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start, or right click and select the start and normal start. Use the up and down arrows and select the try or install ZorinOS. See here the options: try ZorinOS or install ZorinOS. Okay, try ZorinOS is temporary purpose or testing purpose, but if you want to install permanently, you have to click on install ZorinOS. So I am going to install it permanently. Click on install ZorinOS. Now keyboard layout, select the language and click on continue. If you want to download updates while installing, you have to select the checkbox. If you select it, it will take time. And install third-party softwares for graphics and Wi-Fi, hardware and additional media formats. You have to select this one. It is up to you. Okay. Then click on continue. Now you have to select the installation type. This is the fresh installation. So select erase disk and install ZorinOS. Then click on install now. This is just confirmation. Click on continue. Now we have to select the region or the time zone. Okay, I am from India, so select on the globe, or if you are from US, you can select on this globe. Okay, then click on continue. Now we have to create our setup user. So I am giving username as this is the user full name, then computer name or host name we have to provide. Then copy user, so this is the username, provide the password, confirm the same. If you have Active Directory, you can select the checkbox, otherwise click on continue. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I will resume once installation completes. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now we have to restart. So click on restart now. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control key from your keyboard to release the cursor. See here, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay. Now go to VirtualBox Manager. See here, optical drive is already empty. If it is not empty, just click on it and select the remove the disk from the virtual drive. Then come to this virtual machine and hit enter. See, now it is restarting. Click on username and provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit enter. See, we got the welcome screen, that is welcome to ZorinOS 17.3. Click on no thanks. See here, we are not getting the full screen. Okay, so insert this guest actions CD image. See here, so open this VirtualBox, then right click, open in terminal, ls. See here, we have to run this VirtualBox actions.run file. So sudo / vbox linux actions.run. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Now we can click on this, double click on this one, then click on maximize. See, now we got the full screen. Okay. Now open terminal. Click on this menu. Then search. Then click on utilities. See here, we have the terminal, or you can search here. Search for terminal. See, we have the terminal. Click on it. Now if you want to change the font of this terminal, click on this 3 horizontal lines, preferences, unnamed, then select the custom font, then select the font. Click on it. You want to increase it to, I am going to 14, size as 14, select it, click on close. Now verify the version that we have installed. More /etc os-release. See, we have installed ZorinOS 17.3 and its Ubuntu code name is Gemini. Okay, so Control L. The first step after connecting to ZorinOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type A and hit enter. See, updation and upgradation started. This will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install ZorinOS 17.3 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.